It is now time for the Getting Started section challenge. So this is the opportunity in every section to apply all of the learning in that section in a task that you will do, hopefully independently or as independently as possible. All of these challenges will follow the same format, so they will come towards the end of the section. They will have the challenge, the scenario, and then the acceptance criteria. So let's go through this now. So this section's challenge is the Motivational Quote app. So the challenge, we need to create a brand new project from scratch, make a simple change to it, launch it on an emulator, and then launch it on a real device if one is available. So the scenario, we have a client request. Somebody has come to you looking for your services to make an Android app for them, like in the real world. A client wants you to make a new simple quote app. It will only have one screen with a motivational quote for new software developers. So it might be quite appropriate for students on this course. It's just in the prototype stage right now. However, they will come to the office and they want to see it running on your computer. Also, one of the board members may have an Android device, so they want you to be able to install it on a real phone if you have one available. The acceptance criteria. Now, in every section challenge, I will do the acceptance criteria exactly like the real world. In various jobs that I've had, the acceptance criteria is presented in the exact same way. It always starts with the words, "It is done when." This is a checklist of things for you to see if you've completed the challenge or not. So, it is done when there is a brand new project. If you followed from the previous tutorial, you should already be at the new project dialog, ready to go. The app name has the word quote as part of the title, but the exact title is up to you. For example, you could do my quote app or quote for you or whatever you like, as long as the word quote is in there. It is done when the package name follows the Android naming convention of being the reverse domain name plus the name of the app. For example, com.example.myquoteappname. And their domain is wheelofcrazyquotes.com. They may want to publish this on the Google Play Store one day. They want the package name to be unique. So think about how you would do that domain backwards and then the name of the app. It's done when in the middle of the screen there's some text that displays a motivational quote for software developers. As this is a prototype, it can be any quote, so do a search online and copy any programming quote that you like. So just have a go at changing that text for you and putting in some text of your own. Find a quote that appeals to you, try and personalize it. The learning will stick better if you do. It's done when the app runs and displays on an emulator. We should know how to do this by now. And it's done when the app runs and displays on a real Android device if one is available. So if you have one, do go ahead and try to get it running on your phone. Okay, so after every challenge overview video like this, I will post all of these 3 slides as an article. So you can go to the next lecture and view that article, have that on your screen rather than pausing the video. Following that, there will be the solution, which will be like a code along. So do try this yourself. If you get stuck, that's absolutely fine, but at least give it a go yourself. You will learn more if you try. And then if you do get stuck, you can go to the solution video, which will be a fast code along where I'll run through it really quickly, as it is all just recap and review of all the concepts that we've covered in this section. So, good luck. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the solution.